Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset the filter lifetime counter on Philips 4000i series air purifier. If you've replaced your filter and the lifetime counter didn't reset, then you should reset it yourself. In order to do it, you should first unplug the cable from the socket, then plug it back in, and within the first 15 seconds after it's turned on, you should press on the night mode button and the filter button. So I'm gonna show you that right now. Now I've plugged in the device and it should turn on. So after it turns on, within the first 15 seconds, I need to press and hold on these two buttons. Now it says filter has been reset and the filter status is 100%. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.